Hello traders. In this video I will tell you about the prepaid packages on the GTAPP platform and show you how to pay for them. Essentially, GTAPP doesn't have fixed tariffs because the platform itself is free. Users only pay a commission based on their profits. As our platform doesn't have access to manage your funds, we charge a commission for future profits as a form of prepayment. In other words, you deposit funds and the commission is deducted from them. When you've used up all your prepaid funds, you can make another prepayment or purchase an unlimited plan. The commission you pay to the platform depends on the amount of your prepayment. The lower the amount, the higher the commission. The available features also depend on the prepayment amount. You can see the differences on your screen. There are a total of 4 prepaid packages: X2, X3, X5, and Unlimited. The X2 package has a 50% commission for $50 and remains active until you achieve $100 in profits. The X3 package has a 30% commission for $100 and remains active until you achieve $300 in profits. The X5 package has a 20% commission for $200 and remains active until you achieve $1,000 in profits. The Unlimited package costs $3,000 with 0 commission and has no restrictions on time or profit amounts. For new users, there's a limited time 50% discount on the Unlimited package. I recommend not missing this opportunity and taking advantage of this generous offer from the GTAPP platform. Also, within the first 3 days after registration, you'll have the Unlimited package enabled. Make the most of this time. You can pay for these prepaid packages in 2 ways: the regular method or by purchasing them as NFTs, non-fungible tokens. There's a separate video about NFTs that explains all the benefits of such a purchase. But I'll mention here that an NFT package gives you the flexibility to manage it as you see fit, and you can even transfer the usage rights to another person. Now let's proceed with the regular payment method. Choose the package. I'm selecting the best and most advantageous one, the Unlimited package. Click the Start Now button. You'll be directed to the Coinpayments page where you need to provide your name, last name, email, and select your preferred coin for payment from the list. I'll choose USDT on the BEP2 network. You can pay from any wallet or exchange. I'll be paying from my Binanceexchange account. I go to the wallet section, then fiat and spot. Next to USDT, I click the Withdraw button. I copy the wallet address from the Coinpayments site and paste it into the address field on Binance. I select the BEP2 network. In this case, the memo phrase is not required. It's important to consider the transaction or exchange commission when making the payment. The exact amount must be sent to the address. Binance's commission is 80 cents, so I add it to the amount and enter it in the respective field. I click the Withdraw button, review all the details again, double-check the address and amount, then confirm. After that, I need to provide the 2FA code and the code from the email. Now I need to wait for several confirmations on the network, which may take some time. Once confirmed, you'll see that the payment is successful. Return to your GTAPP account, refresh the tariff page. The display of your purchase may take some time. Then you'll see a message confirming that the tariff has been paid. Now you can fully enjoy all the benefits of the GTAPP platform and start earning profits. If you encounter any difficulties while using the platform, remember that our support team will help you resolve any technical questions. Thank you for your attention. I hope this information will help you make the right decisions and achieve your financial goals in trading. I recommend watching these videos. They will help you better interact with the GTAPP platform, which in turn will lead to higher profits for you. I also kindly request you to subscribe to our channel and other social networks. You will find links to them in the description of this video.